walk you around the flip cart that I built. This is a cart that houses two tools. One is for my new sander, and the other tool is my routing table. And the way it works is this top rotates around and exposes the next tool, like so. I'll show you. See, I unlatch it here, and then you rotate it around, kind of slowly because both tools are kind of heavy. And once this other tool is up in the up position, you latch and lock it back, so that's not going anywhere. And you can use this tool. And you're done with that tool and you want to use the sander again, you can unlatch it, rotate the tool back to the top, like so. Latch it closed, and that top's not going anywhere. Now to access the power supply, I have this door front on magnets. So there's my power strip. Put that back on. You can see I've got the power strip cord running through the pipe the flip top goes through. And then just plug this into an extension cord, runs both tools. And I built a sliding door at the bottom and I use walnut handles. This handles all of the accessories and my pocket hole jig. Put that back. I finished off the plywood with some Danish oil rub to give it a more finished look. And I've got a set of 2-inch locking casters on the bottom, so I'm going to park that into a position, have it not go anywhere. And that is my flip cart. This is Fisher's flip cart design. I have to give credit where credit is due. I didn't come up with plans on my own, but I did modify the plans slightly as I built along, as most any of you would do. Alright, well, that is my cart. If you want to see how I built it, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Okay, I didn't follow Fisher's plan exactly, so I cut this board 1 inch too long. I had to take it apart again and remeasure. Hey, cut once, measure twice, is that what they say? Anyway, luckily I had too much material and I was able to take it off. Now I'm squaring the box up again. The trick I'm using is using my table saw fence as a plate with 2 speed squares. I was able to get it pretty close to perfect square this way and this way. So now I'm going to glue it up and nail on the drawer bottom. I'll say this about 1/2 inch plywood, there is a bit of bow in it, so you got to work with it to get it as square as possible.